Hey, fast forward, we're going to have a pie eating contest to see who can eat the pie the fastest without using their hands or utensils. All right, this is contestant number 1. What is your name?
Yo, my name's Thomas.
Do you think you're going to win, Thomas?
No.
All right, this is contestant number 2. What is your name?
Alex.
Do you think you're going to win?
Yes.
Ready, set, stuff your face. And I think Alex is winning so far. Thomas is just laughing. Really? Apparently it's up Alex's nose. It's all over Thomas's eyelashes. It's over. Thomas wins, everybody. Thomas wins.
All right, Thomas, how was that pie?
It was not that good. It had my nose hairs in it.
Alrighty then. Does it feel good to win?
Well, I just knew one day that my skills in being fat would just come in handy. And so, I'm victorious.
So fast forward, go out there on Thanksgiving, enjoy that pie or that food, and you can decide with or without utensils. We didn't. And hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving.